Today we are going to discuss the Cambridge reading passage, When Evolution Runs Backwards. First 27 to 31 questions are to choose the correct option from multiple options. First question is, when discussing the theory developed by Louis Dollo, the writer says that its answer is option C. It was modified by biologists in the early 20th century. जब लुई डॉलो की थियरी को डिस्कस किया जाता है तो राइटर कहता है कि उसे अर्ली 20th सेंचुरी में बायोलॉजिस्ट्स ने मॉडिफाई किया था. Let's see in the paragraph. Early 20th century biologists came to a similar conclusion, though they qualified it in terms of probability, stating that there is no reason why evolution cannot run backwards, it is just very unlikely. And so the idea of irreversibility in evolution stuck and came to be known as Dollo's law. Next question is, the humpback whale caught off Vancouver Island is mentioned because of, its answer is, option D, the reason given for its unusual features. वैंकूवर आइलैंड से पकड़ी गई हम्पबैक व्हेल का जिक्र इसीलिए किया गया है क्योंकि इसके अनयूजुअल फीचर्स की वजह से. Let's see in the paragraph. If Dollo's law is right, atavism should occur only very rarely, if at all. Yet almost since the idea took root, exceptions have been cropping up. In 1919, for example, a humpback whale with a pair of leg-like appendages over a meter long, complete with a full set of limb bones, was caught off Vancouver Island in Canada. Next question is, what is said about silent genes? Silent genes के बारे में क्या कहा गया है? Its answer is option C. They could lead to the re-emergence of certain characteristics. उनमें कोई certain characteristics दोबारा से जन्म ले सकती हैं. Let's see in the paragraph. If these silent genes are somehow switched back on, they argued, long-lost traits could reappear. Next question is, the writer mentions the mole salamander because its answer is option B. It suggests that Raff's theory is correct. Writer mole salamander के बारे में इसलिए मेंशन करता है क्योंकि इससे ये पता चलता है कि Raff की theory correct है. Let's see in the paragraph. The salamander example fits with Raff's 10 million year time frame. Next question is, which of the following does Wagner claim? Its answer is option A. Members of the Bachier lizard family have lost and regained certain features several times. Wagner का कहना है कि Bachier lizard family के members ने एक certain features को कई बार गवा देने के बाद फिर से regain किया था. Let's see in the paragraph. The simplest example is that the toad lineages never lost their toes, but Wagner begs to differ. According to his analysis of the Bachier family tree, the toad species re-evolved toes from toeless ancestors and, what is more, digit loss and gain has occurred on more than one occasion over tens of millions of years. Next 32 to 36 questions are to complete each sentence with the correct ending. First statement is, for a long time biologists rejected, its answer is option F, the possibility of evolution being reversible. काफी समय से बायोलॉजिस्ट्स ने एवोल्यूशन के रिवर्स होने की संभावना को रिजेक्ट किया है. Let's see in the paragraph. The description of any animal as an evolutionary throwback is controversial. For the better part of a century, most biologists have been reluctant to use those words, mindful of principle of evolution that says, evolution cannot run backwards. Next question is, opposing views on evolutionary throwback are represented by, its answer is option G. Dollo's findings and the convictions held by Lombroso. Evolutionary throwback के opposing views को Dollo की findings ने और Lombroso के conviction ने represent किए हैं. Let's see in the paragraph. While Lombroso was measuring criminals, a Belgian paleontologist called Louis Dollo was studying fossil records and coming to the opposite conclusion. Next question is, examples of evolutionary throwbacks have led to, its answer is option A, the question of how certain long-lost traits could reappear. Evolutionary throwback के examples से पता चलता है कि कैसे कभी खो गए traits दोबारा से appear हुए. Let's see in the paragraph. So many other examples have been discovered that it no longer makes sense to say that evolution is as good as irreversible. And this poses a puzzle. How can characteristics that disappeared millions of years ago suddenly reappear? Next question is, the shark and killer whales are mentioned to exemplify, its answer is option B. The occurrence of a particular features in different species. Shark and killer whales को इसीलिए mention किया गया है, ये बताने के लिए कि एक particular feature अलग-अलग species में होता है. Let's see in the paragraph. One possibility is that these traits are lost and then simply reappear, in much the same way that similar structures can independently arise in unrelated species, such as the dorsal fins of sharks and killer whales. Next question is, one explanation for the findings of Wagner's research is, its answer is option D. The continued existence of certain genetic information. Wagner की research की एक finding, एक certain genetic information की लगातार existence को बताती है. Let's see in the paragraph. Another more intriguing possibility is that the genetic information needed to make toes somehow survived for tens, perhaps hundreds of millions of years in the lizards and was reactivated. Next 37 to 40 questions are yes, no and not given. First question is not given. Next question is, Wagner believes that Bachir lizards with toes had toeless ancestors. Wagner को लगता है कि toes वाले Bachir lizard के ancestors toeless थे. Let's see in the paragraph. According to his analysis of the Bachia family tree, the toad species re-evolved toes from toeless ancestors. So its answer is yes. Next question is, the temporary occurrence of long-lost traits in embryos is rare. Long-lost traits का embryo में temporary होना rare होता है. Let's see in the paragraph. Early embryos of many species develop ancestral features, snake embryos, for example, sprout hind limb buds. Many species में ऐसा होता है, तो ये rare नहीं है. Therefore its answer is no. Next question is, evolutionary throwbacks might be caused by development problems in the womb. Womb में developmental problem की वजह से evolutionary throwback हो सकता है. Let's see in the paragraph. Later in development these features disappear thanks to developmental programs that say, lose the leg. So these statements are same. Therefore its answer is yes. I hope this video is beneficial to you. If yes, then please like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.